Friends, welcome to Bishop Academy online classes. Today we have to get discussed over the changes occurred in the syllabus of class 12th physical education due to this COVID-19. CBSE reduced a certain portion of course in class 12th physical education, as when you get discussed over it chapter by chapter, as there is no reduction in the chapters, that's why we have to get discussed over all topics that has been eliminated or go on properly. The very first chapter of class 12th physical education is planning in sport. The topic that has been eliminated in this chapter is intramural and extramural, along with it the special sport program. These topics eliminated from your course, that's why you have not to study this topic this year. Rest of the topic, that is meaning and objective of planning, various committees and their responsibilities, pre, during and after, or you can say post sport conditions, along with it tournament, all knockout, league and their combination. Even procedure to draw fixtures for knockout, in it bye and seeding, along with it league, here staircase and cyclic method only, that is the tabular method get eliminated. Second chapter is sports and nutrition. Here you find there is no changes. You have to study all the topics that has been given here. Is that clear to you? Okay. Third chapter, that is yoga and lifestyle. Here the topic or the yogas that has been beneficial under back pain eliminated, but you have to study about asanas as preventive measures in obesity. These are the asanas which you have to study for obesity, diabetes, these asanas, asthma, these asanas, and along with it hypertension, these asanas. Next, that is the physical education and sport for CWSN, that is children with special need. So here the advantage of physical activities for children with special need eliminated from your course. You have to study about concept of disability and disorder, type of disability, its causes and nature, cognitive disability, intellectual disability and physical disability. Type of disorders in which you have to study its causes and nature, ADHD, SPD, ASD, ODD and OCD. Along with it disability etiquettes. Along with it strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special need. These are the chapters to which you have to study this year. Next chapter is children and women in sport. In this chapter you have to leave this topic special considerations like what you call menarche or menstrual dysfunctions, and even female athlete triad, that is menorrhea, osteoporosis and eating disorder eliminated from your course. This year you have to study about motor development and factors affecting it, exercise guideline at different stages of growth and development, common postural deformities like knock knees, flat foot, round shoulder, lordosis, kyphosis, bow legs, scoliosis and their corrective measures. And along with it you have to sports participation of women in India. These are the topic to which you have to study this year. Next chapter, that is test and measurement. In this chapter, the baromotor test eliminated from your course. You have to study motor fitness test, that is Khelo India fitness test. You have to study it. All these activities that has been given here. Along with it, Harvard step test and Rockport walking test. You have to study it. Along with it, you have to study Rickley and Jones senior citizen fitness test. All these tests are for you, and you have to also prepare the notes for what you called tables for calculation of these tests for your practical examination. Here, physiologic and injuries in sports. Your next chapter. Here, physiological changes due to aging get eliminated from your course. And the things which you have to study this year is physiological factors determine component of physical fitness, effect of exercise on cardiorespiratory system, effect of exercise on muscular system, sports injuries, very important chapter, causes, prevention, treatment and classification, soft tissues, in which included abrasion, contusion, laceration, incision, sprain and strain. On the other hand, hard tissue injuries, in which dislocation, fracture. All type of fractures you have to study under it. Next chapter, that is biomechanics and sports. The topic friction in sports and get eliminated, and in this chapter you have to study meaning and importance of biomechanics in sports, type of movement, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction. Along with it, Newton's law of motion and its application in sports. Psychology and sports. In it you have to study exercise adherence. This topic eliminated from your course, and you have to study personality, its definition and type, trait and types, in which you have to study Sheldon and Jung's classification of human body, along with it Big Five theory. The next topic is motivation, its type and techniques, along with it meaning, concept and type of aggression in sports. These are the study matter of this year. Next topic, that is training in sports. This year the circuit training method eliminated from your course. You have to study about strength, endurance, speed, flexibility and coordinative ability. Both these topics are quite similar. Okay. Under it you have to study isometric, isotonic and isokinetic exercises, along with it continuous and interval training method with fartlek training method. These are the study matter of this year. Even for speed you have to study acceleration and pace run techniques, and for improving flexibility various type of stretching exercises. In practical, this year your course is quite good for yourself, as for every year you have to go on with this physical fitness test that has been go on the ground, along with it game of your choice. This year the game basketball, football, kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, handball, hockey, cricket and bosi, that is horse riding, get included in your course. Along with it, yogic practices means you have to perform the yogas that has been taught in the third chapter. Along with it, you have to prepare your record file of the activities that has been go on throughout the year in classes or in a school ground and viva voc. Here are the classification of marks for this year question paper. MCQ questions are 20 in number and each question carry 1 marks. So total marks would be 30 or 20. Here you get 4 additional questions, means actual number of questions is 24, but you have to solve only 20 questions. Means there are 4 questions, at least 4 questions there where you get 2 options, out of which you have to solve one and you have to eliminate others. Second, that is in short answer type questions which carry 3 marks each. Number of questions are 10 and here you get 3 additional questions, means 3 options to which you could eliminate. There are at least 3 questions which are in such a way that you could choose any one of them. In the same way, in detailed question you get 2 options. In 2 questions you get option. Total number of questions are 5 for 20 marks. So total marks which you get from this written paper is 20, 30 and 20, that is 70 marks. And your 30 marks you will get from your practical classes. Now I think you could understand your syllabus and you could start your study as per it. If you have any type of confusion, then you could even see the what you call changes in the syllabus or the new syllabus that has been available on CBSE nic.in. And still if you have any type of confusion, then you could ask to me in Google Classroom. Thank you.